Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking with Fatima Zahra. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoked salmon at home. For this recipe you will need half salmon, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 big tablespoon of pepper. So I'll take my chef knife and I will cut the fish into half, okay? And then the other half. Okay, we mix these nicely. Cover the fish with the salt and sugar mixture and keep it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Here I'm using apple wood chips. Soak the chips in water for 20 to 30 minutes prior to smoking. After rinsing the fish, dry it well. Here I'm cutting 1 small piece to try it with black pepper toppings. You can add any toppings you prefer. Here I'm using a smoker. If you don't have a smoker, you can use your normal barbecue, but you should put your fish on indirect heat. Add the wood chips to your charcoal and another layer of water. Here water helps to regulate the heat. Ice can be added to the water if the temperature is climbing too high. Place the salmon and cover. Don't forget to put some oil on the skin of your fish so it won't stick to the smoker rack. It takes between 30 to 1 hour to smoke half salmon. Remove your fish from the heat and cover it with foil and let it rest for about 10 minutes.